Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi has maintained that the prevailing situation in Manipur is being brought under control with synergized efforts of security forces and proactive government initiatives. General Upendra Dwivedi said this during annual press conference which was held today at Manekshaw Center in New Delhi. Speaking further, General Dwivedi said cyclic incidents of violence are continuing, but security forces are working to bring in peace. Enhanced surveillance and dominance over the Myanmar border are on, as well as fencing is also in progress. While maintaining that external dimension cannot be ruled out, the Army Chief maintained that the conflict in neighboring Myanmar has resulted to influx of refugees and those refugees need to be treated with respect. Indian Army is in touch with Myanmar Army to ensure uninterrupted exchange of information of intelligence.
As far as the lack of coordination is concerned which you have brought out, I just wish to assure you there is absolutely no lack of coordination, but we have to understand that which side is where. When this problem occurred in May 2023, the police from various communities, it was very difficult for them to go to the different community area. So thereafter the DGP had issued the orders that you go to the nearest police station to whichever community you belong to, so that at least you take on those duties. So once you take on those duties, you will find that Indian Army, Assam Rifles and the other CAPFs, we have to coordinate with those people in whichever area they are. So it's not a lack of coordination. Rather, these three agencies are the only one which are able to provide the coordination as of today. External dimensions cannot be ruled out. It's all over the media. So I'll just leave it at that. Now what happens as far as the Myanmar side is concerned? Since there is some activities taking place on the Myanmar side and it is claimed that the rebel groups are fighting with the Myanmar army or the Tatmadaw. As a result, there is a migration which is taking place or the influx of refugees which is taking place. We have made sure that all those who are coming here should be treated as refugees and due respect and consideration and harbour should be provided to them.